A parent or a couple wants their children to receive their estate. So they make the mistake of getting one of the children involved as being either the executor or the executrix of the estate. Absolutely not. Your private wealth manager acts as a fiduciary and acts as an independent mediator to make sure the trust is distributed according to your values and according to your directives. Too many times we see a child who's placed on the spot of being the fiduciary to distribute the assets, and then what we have many times, in fact, I would say more times than not, is bickering between children or the child's spouse. Okay, you should have had this, you should have gotten this. No, no, no. What we want to do is we want to sit down with the parents, I want to sit down with the children, and we want the children to understand what each and every child or grandchild is going to receive. We want any type of discrepancies to come up now before the demise of the trust owner. Also, we want to let the child know that we are not going to place this responsibility on you. Philip and his team, as a private wealth management firm, is going to alleviate all of that worry and all of that trouble. It's a minute fractional cost to do this. And in my experience, these types of plans are invaluable because it keeps the family unit intact. Some folks, I got to tell you, when you see the death of a spouse, especially the second spouse, and we start to see wealth, generational wealth being transferred, when you leave it to one child, you're putting an unnecessary stress on that child because they want to make everybody happy. What you do is you do it independently, and we set the plan up ahead of time. Is your current wealth manager talking to you about this? If not, you're not working with a private wealth manager, certainly not one from our firm.